Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to use Uniswap V3, a decentralized exchange protocol that enables secure, transparent, and efficient trading of digital assets. To get started, you will need a digital wallet such as MetaMask, and some Ethereum to cover transaction fees. First, navigate to the Uniswap V3 website and connect your wallet by clicking on the Connect Wallet button in the top right corner of the page. This will prompt you to select your wallet provider and authorize the connection. Once your wallet is connected, you can begin the trading process by selecting the token you wish to trade and the token you wish to receive. Uniswap V3 offers a wide range of tokens to choose from, including popular assets such as ETH, DAI, and USDT. After selecting the tokens, you will need to set the amount you wish to trade. You can do this by entering the amount in the input field, or by using the sliders to adjust the amount. Make sure to review the transaction details carefully, including the price, slippage, and fees. Uniswap V3 also offers advanced features such as limit orders and range orders, which allow you to trade at specific price levels or within a specified range. To access these features, click on the Advanced tab and select the order type you wish to use. Before confirming the transaction, make sure to review the terms and conditions and understand the risks involved. Uniswap V3 is a decentralized protocol, and as such, it is not subject to the same regulations as traditional exchanges. Once you have confirmed the transaction, it will be processed and settled on the Ethereum blockchain. You can track the status of your transaction by using a blockchain explorer such as Etherscan. Best practices for using Uniswap V3 include setting a reasonable slippage tolerance, using limit orders to manage risk, and monitoring the market conditions to avoid trading during periods of high volatility. It is also important to keep your wallet and private keys secure, and to never share your wallet information with anyone. In conclusion, Uniswap V3 is a powerful tool for trading digital assets in a secure and transparent manner. By following the steps outlined in this guide, and using the advanced features and best practices, you can unlock the full potential of Uniswap V3 and take control of your trading experience.